Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are making chicken jollof rice. This is our day special. Yes, if you're a Ghanaian, you know what our day is. My boys went on vacation last week and I thought to share their jollof rice recipe with you. Please do stick and stay and let's enjoy this video. For this recipe, I'll be using some rice and some chicken which I've diced into very small pieces. I'll also need some pasta, tomato puree, oil, turmeric and powdered pepper, some powdered fish, salt, tomatoes, Scotch bonnet, onion, rosemary, some fennel seeds, a thumb-sized ginger, and vegetables of your choice. I'm using the colored bell peppers and some shredded carrots. I'll also need some chopped onions and garlic. So I'll begin by seasoning my chicken with my turmeric, powdered pepper, powdered fish, and some salt, and then set it aside for it to rest for about 30 minutes before I start cooking. If you're new here, you're so welcome. Please make yourself comfortable and turn on the notification bell so you do not miss any of my new videos. So I'll begin by heating some oil in my saucepan and then go ahead to fry my chicken. So this is soft chicken, so I do not need to cook it before using it. So now I'll wait for the juices of the chicken to be released into the saucepan. You realize that the liquid around the chicken keeps increasing. That is when you know that your chicken is cooking beautifully. So I'll continue to toss and turn my chicken for about 10 minutes. So before we get there, I lost some footage while shooting this video, but I promise you would still get the recipe intact. And before I forget, if you're a returning subscriber, I am so grateful for your support this far. I do not take it for granted. Please continue to share my content and let's keep growing together. So I went ahead to add in my chopped onions and garlic and then fried it for a while before adding my tomato puree. So this is what you see now, everything mixed together, and I'll stir fry this intermittently for about 7 minutes. At this point, what I'm adding in is my blended onion, tomatoes, and Scotch bonnet. And then I'll stir this in and allow my stew to simmer till oil sits on top nicely. So at this point, you can see that my oil is sitting beautifully on top of my stew. I'll go ahead and add in my rice and then stir everything till the stew and rice are mixed together properly. Then I'll go ahead and add the rest of my powdered fish and then add some salt also, and then stir everything up properly and then proceed to add some water, enough water to cook my jollof. I'll then give it a careful stir and then cover and allow to boil. So once this boils up just a bit, I'll add in my pasta. Then I'll cover and allow just a bit of the water to drain before stirring my pasta into the rice. So I do this because I don't want my pasta getting too soft. At this point, I'll go ahead and add in my vegetables. So note once again, I do not stir my vegetables into the rice. I leave it on top so that it, for lack of a better word, steams when I cover it. Then when my jollof is ready, I'll stir everything into it so the vegetables are not too soft as well. So guess what? While the boys were away, mommy had her own day at home. So I served myself with some fish cakes, some plantain and avocado. I'll be sharing the recipe for the fish cakes in my next video, so do stay tuned. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and I'll see you again in the next. Keep blooming.